nice. We've been waiting a while for this. This is the new Pro 209 blank gun dog training pistol. Use it as a starter in track and field. Anything that you need a blank pistol for. This is fantastic. The frame is 7075 aircraft aluminum. It's super light. Whole thing weighs 12 ounces. The aluminum frame has also been cerakoted orange to allow you to find it easily if you drop it. All the components, stainless steel, so you know they're going to last. This is made in the US of A. Manufacturer's going to take care of you. It has a lifetime warranty. Nice rubber grips, and of course a lanyard ring. Yes, and we will give you a free lanyard with it as well. Swing out cylinder, ejector rod, holds 6 209 primers. Very nice. Double action. This is a sweet blank pistol. If you like this video and would like to see more videos of the products that we sell here at Dogs Unlimited, or just some training videos, subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to buy the Pro 209 blank pistol, just click on the icon in the upper right hand corner.